Hey guys, welcome to Ray's Place, and today we are going to show you the Boulevard Hotel that we stayed in Universal Studios. Yeah!
Ellen?
Ellen,
What about that guy?
This guy is Harry Potter.
Harry Potter? Anybody else?
This guy's probably...
Who's this guy? Which guy?
Which guy? That guy? He looks like Justin Bieber.
But it's not. Who is it?
Who is he?
It's Justin, the other
Timberlake.
Oh,
Justin.
Justin Timberlake.
What song does he sing?
He looked kind of ugly, so I thought he was just...
Okay, come on, let's go see our room.
218, let's go.
2018, get a Jack, Lamborghini.
Go.
Okay. You think this is gonna be a small room or what?
I think it's gonna be a tiny room.
28.
Because Brianna thinks it's tiny room. Mommy and Daddy always think it's tiny room. Tiny room.
Yeah, the first two ones were fine, but then Daddy had to ruin it, or Mom. 28 and a T. 2018. 2018. 28.
It's usually always Mom's like,
Okay, this is 2018.
Okay, where's
Can you
the
read
key? Can
that?
you open it?
Can you read what it says though? It
Okay, that's so messed up.
says Boulevard.
Boulevard.
Okay, here.
Here's the key.
Thanks.
You have to take out the key. No, you have to take out the cord.
Oh, what the?
You're so silly. Here, give me all that. Just take the key card out. One. And give me the rest of it. Okay, now go ahead. Just like you did before.
Look like this.
Upside down.
Okay, pull it out. All right.
Thanks.
Silly. Ryan, you locked us out, kid. Okay, you go without the controller.
It smells like gel in here, not gonna lie.
It smells nice.
It has two TVs.
Can you turn the lights on? Wait, nobody can see it.
Oh, yeah. Just turn it on. Alright, I'll get it.
Whoa, look at this. Oh, look at that big board. Surfing board.
Wow. Can you show me around? What do you think?
I think this is epic.
This is
And
what?
I think this is epic. And I got my tangle.
So is it
Take
smaller
one.
than the last
Is this, how is this room?
Okay, epic. Look at this. It has a. Oh, I thought that was a chicken. Look at this. It has. I thought that
one? Whoa,
was.
it's a microwave.
Okay.
We can heat some water up. I don't have to go downstairs.
Can you show us around, Ryan?
The floor's pretty slippery. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm not gonna lie, why would you lie about that?
Oh yeah, you would lie though.
No, this is the room that just came.
Yeah. Look at our surfboard.
This is what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Look, look, Ryan, you have your own spot to sit down. Look.
Oh yay! And us
You can
TV.
eat right here, and you got your own TV, and you got your own microwave. You can leave us alone.
I can party.
Look, and there's two big beds.
Oh.
Look how big these beds are.
Yeah, don't look at that picture. It's messed up.
Why? What's this
Because.
picture of? Is that you and your friends? Your girlfriends?
Nice. Shut up.
Oh, look, a little place to sit. Nice.
You're not editing that, okay? You're cutting that out.
We can go outside.
Oh, look, we can go outside.
Back you up. Oh,
We have a little backyard.
it's nothing but junk out there. It's,
No, but it's a nice place to walk.
yeah.
Open
It's
it.
probably like locked from the bottom. We're locked in.
Open.
Hell.
Okay.
Oh, that's a pretty
Look,
room.
Rand, look, there's a nice little table.
Oh, this is such a pretty room. Thanks, Dad.
Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Mom.
What do you mean?
Mom picked the place.
No, you're the one who made it. This is not
No,
my
I
style.
was the one who picked it because
Oh,
no one
yeah?
got me tinier places.
Oh, what's that up on the wall? Can you show me? What's on the wall?
Oh, it's a big surfboard.
No, don't touch it, huh? No.
You can't.
No, don't touch it,
No,
Rand.
do it.
That's
Of course
Rand.
you can. Somebody put it up there. Okay, go. You put a stuff on
We
it?
bought it in the yellow. Oh, the office.
Is that an office? What are you gonna do with this office?
Hello, Maguri. How do you do, Maguri? Hello.
Who's this Ruby?
When he was talking on the phone.
Yeah, how do you turn this on? We got this light.
Hello, Montgomery.
Crazy light.
How do you do, Montgomery? Hello, Montgomery. Oh my God, it's actually ringing. Oh my God.
Rayon. Can you stop? Don't call people.
I just said hello, Montgomery.
Oh, there's a light switch. Can you turn the light switch on?
Right
On
here
the bottom.
on
On
the
the
bottom.
bottom. On the bottom. There we go. Now we got
Oh,
light.
that's light. Oh.
Okay, now can you like?
I love the night.
Can you show me around a little bit now? Now point out all the cool stuff.
Okay, a closet, probably this. Yeah, it's just
It's
with
nice.
tutus.
No, those are robes.
Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom. The bathroom looks at wall. The mirror. The one thing I love about the bathroom is just like the stripes of the mirror. It's epic.
That's
The
pretty cool.
toilet looks cool.
It's like from the future.
So the other toilets, the big long toilets, get thrown in the garbage,
Mm-hmm.
and then magic becomes a little toilet. That's funny.
Okay. It's
Oh,
nice
there's a
in
new
here.
thingy.
That's the flush.
Flush.
Okay, cool.
They flush
Can you
the
show me?
brush.
Can you show me the little kitchen area?
Area here. Okay, apparently the kitchen area is really cool, but it's kind of cool.
Well, I mean, it's got a microwave with
Yeah.
coffee maker. You got your own TV. That's for ice. In case mommy and daddy want to.
Ice cream cake. Ice cream cake.
You got a fridge? What do you think's under there? Nice big fridge. What about there?
Under there.
Yeah. What do you think is
Your
there?
mom.
What did you say?
Your mom.
Okay. This
Okay,
is,
garbage. Apparently.
that's the garbage. Yes.
I love the couch. I could actually sleep.
And you get a separate remote for this.
Oh, got my eyebird.
Okay. Can you show me the
Two
beds?
rows.
What do you think of the beds?
The beds look end like dead.
What?
The ends look literally bed, like deadly bed. Wait, I actually want to turn on this. Let's see how it feels.
How's that? That's not. That's like a. I don't think that's not how you're supposed to sleep on it. Is that comfortable? Is that a comfortable way to sleep? Okay. It's a pretty big bed, huh?
Oh, okay. That was a good nap.
Yeah?
Good bed nap.
Okay. What's that? What do you think that's over there?
A romance table.
A what?
A romance table.
Come over here.
Dining table. Yeah.
So what is this table over here?
Romance table.
A what?
A romance table.
What is that?
A romance table.
I don't know what that is. Can you explain to me what a romance table is?
When you get married.
Is the table where you get married?
Yes.
What are you supposed to do at this table?
It's a dining table.
For romantic people? Married people? What is it for?
For nothing. Just for eating. Cool toy.
I didn't want to hurt the person's feelings. I see them nodding. Good. I was way more focused on other people instead I started at a very young age, restricting my food. I think I grew up in a very chaotic environment. I think my reaction to that was to try and control in whatever I could focus on, which for me was food. And then I remembered it eating.
What do you think of the room?
Really much. I love it so much. I could sleep for 5,000 days.
Here?
Yes. Here.
You sure?
On the ground, on that chair, on everywhere. I can even sleep on the TV.